Psittacula krameri, the rose-ringed parrot, is a medium-sized bird with a body length on average of about 30 cm long. It has body mass about 138 gram. This bird have a green body with a reddish beak. They have a long pointed tail that is more than half of the body length. Psittacula krameri is native to Central Africa. They live in agricultural fields. Males of this species show a dark purplish color around their necks. The young birds do not show this coloring on their necks. They only acquire it once they reach sexual maturity, which is about the age of 3. The female birds do not have this rose coloring around their necks. They are seasonal breeders and is monogamous. That means there is one female that mates with one male. In this species, the female actually attracts the male and initiates the mating. She does this by rubbing her head against the male's head repeatedly. After this, the mating process lasts only for a few minutes. They lay on average about 4 eggs. Once the eggs are laid, they incubate for about 3 weeks until the young ones are hatched. When the young ones reach the age of 2 years, they are considered to be independent. This species is considered to be long-lived bird. They can live more than 30 years. The primary diet of this species is seed and grains. About 80% of this bird's diet is seed-based. They also eat insects, fruits, and nectar. They have a few non-predators which target the eggs. Crows, owls, snakes, and sometimes humans are known as predators. They are sometimes kept as pets. These pets are also used as a source of ecotourism in the form of bird watching.